everybody, welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we are doing a little bit of this, and then we are also jumping over and doing a photo shoot with the Evo. My buddy just got a really nice camera. He wants to practice and get some cool shots, so we're gonna meet out there. We're gonna bang off a bunch of anti-lag or spark cut, and hopefully get some cool photos out of it and film it today. So let's go ahead and jump in the car and get it done. All right, so to take advantage, while I do have my buddy's car over here right now, he does have the ETS Extreme exhaust and test pipe. We did install a while ago, and then we also did the ETS top mount turbo kit on this. This is a completely stock motor, 581 wheel horsepower, just a bolt-on turbo kit. Check those videos out if you want to check it. But either way, let's do a cold start on the car while it's here, and then we'll go ahead and jump behind mine, do the same, and we'll get over to do this photos and bang off a couple fireworks here. Dudes, and we are out here, guys. We are taking some photos. I do have my buddy over here taking those new shots. I have a golf cart friend here as well, because this is an enormous neighborhood. It is under development right now, so we're going to different spots and getting some cool photos. As you can see, this thing is just a absolute money shot right here. We got some really cool stuff going on with those photos. And after we finish this, the sun is almost down. As you guys can see, we'll find a cool little cubby back here somewhere in the forest area, and we will knock out some of this anti-lag. All right, and there it is, guys. As the sun goes down, we're doing our final rolling shots, getting back to the house so we can drop off my buddy here, and then we'll go back to those same spots and we will knock out some of the spark cut. All right, guys, we are setting up our tripod. We are done with the photo shoot. The sun is down enough. We're gonna go ahead and set you guys down, and we'll knock out some of this anti-lag here. That is it, man. Extremely freaking loud, as you guys can see there. I hope the microphone actually picked it up. We did have the external one on there, so I'm imagining it did, man. But that is it, guys. Cool photos coming out. Check out the Instagram if you guys want to see some of those happening. Don't even know if you can see me right now because it's like pitch black back here, and it's about to hammer down some rain, man. But thank you guys so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next video.